If you're wondering, yes, I'm just kidding. I'm high as hell, y'all. Okay, perfect. Yep. Okay, so I have these baby wipes that I got here in Boston, y'all. Okay, so this is like gonna be like a little chill chit chat while I just organize all my makeup. That's right. Oh my god, sorry. This is all the makeup that my sister gave me. I'm not gonna go get that to the end. It's like a bag full of makeup and full of skincare. You see? So it's a lot. So I have it just right here beside me, and I'm just gonna be picking from it and organizing as I just do a little chit chat. So first we're gonna clean out this because it's a little bit dirty. I plan on storing all my makeup in either here, which I'll like hang above my bookcase. What's this called? What's that called? Clipboard? Nope. Noteboard? Something. Pinboard. Anyway, you can't even see it, but that's how it looks. And like, yeah, I know it's out of view right now, but I'll bring it in view when the time comes. Or I could like bring it in view now. You just don't see my book bag, but it's gonna be in front of me anyway, so whatever. Let me tell you though, I've been using this on my eyebrows. Is the Anastasia Beverly Hills. Oh my god, that's really small writing. And if you think that I'm about to do it, you know I had to do it. Does that focus? Freak. Whatever. See, like that's how small writing it is. I'm not about to focus my eyes. Fine. I will. Dark brown dip brow gel. It's really good. I like it. It looks like that. Anyway, so like I did my eyebrows with it, and it's kind of like yeah, since it's like a gel or whatever, like it makes it stay in place, so like all the hair stay in place, plus it's adding like that dark coating, so it just makes my eyebrows look really nice. So my eyebrows are a little bit on the thin side, even though I like thick eyebrows. So one of these days I'm gonna like play around with all this makeup and see if I could finally do like a thick eyebrow makeup look, and I'll like upload that or whatever. Okay, there's a lot in here. Let me get started. Sorry, I'm just going slow. Didn't I have my wipes here? Oh, where are the wipes? Oh, found them. It's, you know what? I actually bought, it's like I'm going to use it as a face wipe because I bought some waterproof mascara. We are back in the game. So sorry, had to send that resume business because I want that job so bad. I love babies, and like it's like a nursery job or whatever for $13 an hour. So yeah, this thing is really convenient that they have that. I think my freshman dorm had one too actually, but yeah, they're really good. I'm not really sure what I was talking about, but I need to clean this. Let me talk about what's in front of me. In front of me is stuff that I've been had. This is all the new stuff. So I've been had lashes. This highlighter bronzer thing. My foundation. Cheap lip glosses and stuff. The brow dip I was just talking about. These are all lip pencils. I should start making categories. This is eyeshadow bases. Okay, there's two kinds. I'm gonna throw this out because it's actually really old. I'm gonna throw both these out. I'm gonna hold off on this actually because I don't know if there's one like it. I should have put the trash can next to me, but I didn't. I'm gonna throw this out even though it's not makeup. See, I should have put the trash can next to me. I'm gonna throw that out. This is too light for me, but I'm gonna keep it just in case. This is a really dark brown maroon. I'm gonna keep it I should throw it out, but I'm gonna keep it. This I just bought. It's like matte lipstick. Okay. And then my other brow thing I haven't really been using. The dip gel is actually way lighter than the brow pencil one. And so, do y'all see like the difference? Let me put my light down. Okay. So anyway, yes. I'm keeping everything else, so yeah, let's just get to it. First thing, 120 color palette eyeshadow. This book bag like kept on falling on the floor and crashing on the floor like 20 times now. So we'll see if any of these powders survived, and it is cracked a little bit. You'll see. Hope so. So it is cracked a little bit, but that's okay. They're actually really pretty. Let me see if this yellow is nice. It's nice. Cute. Okay. Palettes. We'll have an area for palettes starting right here. Then I have a whole bunch of sponges that I have to wash. She gave me a whole bunch of sponges. Ooh, this is so pretty. Okay, this is a shimmering mist, sugared orchid. So it's like shimmer stuff, which is really cute because I'm actually going to use this. I'm telling y'all, I want to be a bad bitch this semester. Okay. Yes, setting powder. So I really don't need that, even though it's so dark. I don't know. So this is the Banana Revolution Luxury Baking Powder. Poudre Cuit de Luxe. Okay. Ah, yes. This is a cleanser that I'm going to start using after. You know what? I actually might start using it now because it's a pain in the ass to bring that little bar to the bathroom. So I think I might just start using this. It's 4-in-1 wash off, deep cleansing milk, whatever. Thank God again for this. Bottles are just gonna go over there because I'm not like where they go is back over there. And room in the iCard, I'm gonna link my room tour because I'm gonna do like a dorm tour before I put this out. So yeah. What is this? This is this is a Don't Wanna Be My Ex Seaweed Fortifying Max. Cool. Oh, that's right, you guys. My roomies gave me this little like sugar scrub mask as like a gift when I moved out yeah. Okay, this is a lavender. It's a Shea Moisture soap bar, lavender and wild worker soap. So I'll use this when the body wash is done. Ooh, highlighting powder from Wet n Wild. Let's see what that's talking about. Cutie, cute. Okay, I don't really ever do that every single second, but I do for my fingers. Highlighter. Okay, I'm gonna put the lashes over here. I doubt I have any more lashes. She's not gonna give me her lashes. Well, she did. Those are hers. Okay. Highlighter, bronzer type thing. Okay. Oh, another one. No, this is another one. This is a hydrating barrier cream. So I wonder what that's all about. Y'all, my skin is about to be popping this semester. Apply after cleansing and toning. Gently massage into clean, dry skin. Cool. More sponges. I'm telling y'all, it's a lot. This is a Shea Moisture. Yes. For my natural hair, I've been wanting to get some mousse because, as you guys know, I texturize my hair. Another iCard of my texturizer thing. Because I did a video on like my routine of what I do. So this one is a Fruit Fusion Coconut Water Weightless Styling Mousse with neem oil and aloe. I'll just let you read that yourself. Is that focusing? Okay, cool. Let me get this face product out the way because I knew. Okay, this is a night relaxing detox clay mask. Okay, cool. Cool. I'm actually really happy that I have all this skincare stuff because I really needed better, more expensive stuff, because as you guys know, if I went to the store I would not pick up those. I'm just now starting to like really get into it. Okay, so oh yeah, and with all of this new stuff I'll probably do like a face routine. So this is what I used to use. It's really light, but this is like more winter, I guess. It looks really like bright and white, I mean really light, but it actually matches really nicely in the winter, but it is summer, so I am really darker. So my sister did give me this one. It's the NYX or NYX Total Control Drop Foundation. I'll probably mix them and see what that does, because this one does, I don't know, I feel like a mix of them maybe. I don't know. Yeah, I think it could work. We'll see. I mean, I really could do it now, but it's not the same tone as me. I feel like this is lighter though, so then it's gonna make this not whatever. Just do it. That wasn't that. My sister said it doesn't take a lot. I'm just gonna mix it. So it is pretty dark, but I mean, like, I knew it was gonna be dark because I already said my hands are lighter, but it does. I don't know though. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see if I have to mix it or not on, like, when I actually put it on my face. I'll probably do that for like this weekend, you know, like when I'm actually going out and stuff, because I'm not trying to wear foundation in this hot sun. No. This one's dewy, but this one is, it doesn't say if it's dewy matte. I'll put that right here. Oh yeah, and I have like this mousse one. I don't really use it, and I don't want to be a hoarder, so let me throw it away. I think that made it into the trash can. I don't know. Okay, this is a matte blush. I already have blush that I probably won't throw away just because I love this one that they have on it. Let me see. Oh, and this is matte blush too though, so I could throw it away because it has the same exact colors. Beauty treats, bitch, just the same damn thing. I'm gonna throw this one away because it's just bigger and the thing for it is broken. This is, wow, 3-in-1 baked blush illuminator, and it's a bronzer. Cutie. It's a really cute color. This was gonna be a chit chat, but like, I'm just talking about the makeup. Can you guys see that? Kinda. Whatever. Okay. Oh, I'm getting this dirty. Whatever. I'm gonna put that here because I doubt that I'll like really wear that. But like the blush needs to be by itself, so I need to know what's my blush and what's not. So this is Prime Beauty. It is a bronzer. Cute. And it comes with an applier that my sister has not used. Thanks, beach. Oopsies. Looks like it's broken. Okay. Let me put that up here. Awesome. Oh, and I can like pat it. There's like holes at the bottom where when I pat it. Bronzer. Where should I put that? I guess here. I mean, but that's like, I don't know. Whatevs. Okay. Then we have, I wish it was like at a different angle. Then you guys could like see down and I could just look up. I don't know. This is another bronzer. She gave me a lot. This one is a baked blush. Sorry if my throat sounds weird. That happens a lot after I smoke a blunt or something. another baked blush. This one's a bit darker. I'll like start talking more when I start organizing all of this stuff. This looks cheap. I will never wear it. I mean, that cheap is like bad, but there's no point. It's really pretty, but there's no point like if I have this one, or should I just keep it because it's really pretty? I'll keep it, I guess. That's what my sister be doing though. She be keeping the okay. Something touched me. She be keeping stuff that she don't need. So should I keep it? Because I'm not gonna use it, but it is pretty. I'm gonna keep it. I mean, I don't know. I might use it. No, I'm for real. Okay. Photo ready. It's Revlon photo ready. And it comes with a mirror on top. Cute. But I don't like, it doesn't say lift. What the fuck is it talking about? Brush inside. Oh, my sister probably took the brush because there's not one in here. I have no idea what this is, but it looks light. So I'm gonna put it right here. Okay. Oh, straw and a cleaner. Another one of these. Why does she have so many? Oh, look, another one. Oh, these are the same thing, but this one is lighter. Too light, so I guess I'm just gonna mix them. Okay. Why didn't you just get your tone? Okay, oh, that's it. So yeah. Okay, so let's start doing this stuff. I'm tired. I was in the mood to like talk, but you know, like after you're all hype and high, then it turns into like sleepy. And what time is it? Damn. If I knew the time, maybe if I hurry up, I could actually take a nap. For real. Okay. Put that back there. I don't really know what that is, but it's still going right here. All of my foundations in here. This is eyeshadow base. I'm gonna put it in foundation because like I feel like I'm gonna do my foundation, then my eyeshadow base. So we'll just put them together. We're gonna put this in here too, honestly. This is a blush, so I have to go over here. Or these are blushes. Bronzers and stuff. These are bronzers. So it would go right here. Lip stuff. So lip stuff. So this is where my like face stuff goes, what I would use every day. So like eyebrow stuff, mascara, eyeliner. That's really it. I just wanted to organize this. I need more lip stuff, but I'll show you guys. Yep. And then this is kind of boring up here. It's just this too. This was supposed to be more of a chit chat, but it really wasn't. But thank you so much for watching, and